But man, I get myself into some crazy situations. Just gotta go straight down this. This just looks terrible. Man, it seems like such a good idea. Okay, I gotta put this away before I die. What is going on, guys? Meta Michael here at Riding for Earth. I'm here in Sedona, Arizona, where I will be exploring, filming, and hiking every single day for a week straight. So get absolutely ready. Because you guys are in for a real treat. Hey guys, good morning. How's it going? I kind of got a late start today. Man, hiking every day, seeing as much as I can. Getting tiring. Keep thinking of this video though. Keep thinking of you guys. Keep thinking of what is out there in Sedona, and I just get pumped. And man, you gotta think. When I woke up really early, I think day 2 or day 3, and saw the sunrise. Sometimes you don't ever get the opportunity to do that. Sometimes you're just like too tired or, you know, whatever, and then you leave and you're like, you know, I really wish I saw the sunrise there. So exactly like I was talking about earlier, I get myself in the weirdest position when trying to find a cool spot. I realized that the path I was walking turned into this just dried up stream. 2 days ago when I went to Fay. Fay Canyon is awesome. If you have not been to Fay Canyon, I would highly suggest it. It's kind of just this easy hike, like through a valley thing, but it's cool that you can just hike through this, like, you know, really cool forest, and then it opens up and it's just like just these beautiful red rocks. Let's go find this trail. Update on the walking. Probably been like 3 or 4 minutes. Still walking down this stream. Still beautiful sight. That kind of looks promising right there. What do you think? Into the trees? Follow it. Ow, ow. Everything has thorns. Everything. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Look at those thorns. That could have been me. Ow, ah. Look, man. Tried to grab onto a rock and boost myself up. Just came right out. Right on my foot. It'll be good. Whoa, you know, you get hurt sometimes. You just look up and it's like, whoa. Okay, that's open. 5, 4, 3, 2, oh, bikers. Yes, bikers. Cars. Yes. 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 Found our way out of here. Hopefully don't get too much hurt. I'm gonna go find this other trail to hike down, so I will see you guys on that trail. Bleh. It's day 5 here. We hiked to Holy Chapel of the Holy Cross. Always forget the name of it. Super cool. Kind of small, but built into the rock. Very beautiful. We just got a few more days. These next few days is gonna be a lot of drone footage. Be excited for day 6, 7. Yeah, man. Yeah. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you want to follow me around North America in my 1992 Toyota Winnebago, then you gotta hit that subscribe button. Or you can hit my icon to the left here and it'll take you to my channel where you can subscribe there. You can check out some recent videos below. As always, so much love, guys. Safe travels out there, and I'll see you tomorrow for day number 6.